How to fix ProtonVPN not connecting / working issue on Windows / Mac / Android / iPhone. In cases ProtonVPN can't connect, please refer to the following list of solutions. Most of the steps described here can be done without direct support from our support team, but in case you get stuck or don't know how to handle certain things, we will be there for you. Server downtimes. If you have connection problems with a single server or country, it's quite likely a temporary problem or downtime, e.g. for maintenance. We work to ensure maximum server uptime. However, once in a while a server may still go down unexpectedly. If the problem persists on all servers, please also check your firewall / antivirus settings. System and compatibility issues. Installation. Make sure ProtonVPN is properly installed and that you have granted permission to install the OpenVPN tap adapter. For detailed instructions on how to install ProtonVPN, please visit this article. System time. If your system time is not set correctly, you might be unable to log into ProtonVPN. If your system time is, for example, set to April 1st, 2005, an SSL certificate from 2007 will be rejected and the connection will fail. Reinstall ProtonVPN. Sometimes an operating system takes a wrong turn and slows down a program. Please uninstall ProtonVPN completely and reinstall it. The following links have detailed instructions on how to uninstall and install ProtonVPN. Account problems. Wrong credentials. Please make sure that you typed your credentials correctly before attempting to connect. Learn more about locating your ProtonVPN password. Expired account. If your subscription ran out, ProtonVPN will not connect to the internet. Please make sure that you have a valid subscription or upgrade your account. Not connected to the internet while attempting to connect ProtonVPN, please make sure that your internet connection is stable and uninterrupted. If you are using Wi-Fi, please try switching to a cable, Ethernet, connection instead.